let's look at what is buzzing today. Going into the stocks, we'll be selecting JP Morgan, Chase & Co. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 359 articles towards it. Going to sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive and the subjectivity is currently loading. However, if it's closer to 0, that means people are being more rational. And if it's closer to 100, then obviously it means it's lesser rational. And it's 33%, which means people are being rational. Now, in trend analysis, the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may fall by 7.84%, which don't sound good. However, a little reminder is that if you're trading with CFD, you will have the options to buy and sell. So that means you may earn a profit of 7.84%. And going into the chart above, they're saying short term, below its lower Bollinger Band, which we can see here. Against the daily chart, we can see the current price is below the 20 and 50 days moving average, and also at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, hence a downtrend. In the comment section, they're saying the RSI is below its neutrally area at 50 and the MACD is below its signal line and positive. The MACD must penetrate its 0 line to expect further downside, which is something that we should all pay attention for if you are thinking to trade this stock. Moreover, the shares stand below the 28 and 50 days moving average. Finally, JP Morgan Chase is trading below its lower daily Bollinger Band. Below, it's a series of supports and resistance. Hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like and don't forget to follow us on our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Until then, again, have a happy weekend and I'll see you next week. Bye.